Welcome to our channel. If you need to disable proxy settings on your Windows computer, follow these step-by-step instructions to restore direct internet connectivity. Step 1. Press the Windows key and type Settings in the search bar. Click on the Settings app to open it. Step 2. In the Settings window, select Network and Internet from the left side menu to access network configuration options. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Proxy in the left panel to view your current proxy configuration settings. Step 4. Under the Manual Proxy Setup section, locate the toggle switch labeled Use a Proxy Server. Turn this switch to the off position to disable the proxy. Step 5. If you see any proxy address or port number listed, clear these fields to ensure no proxy information remains configured. Step 6. Under Automatic Proxy Setup, turn off Automatically Detect Settings, if it's enabled, unless your network specifically requires this feature. Step 7. Close the Settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, and your system will now connect directly to the internet without using a proxy server. Step 8. Restart your web browser to ensure the changes take effect. Test your internet connection by visiting a website to confirm that you can browse without issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.